Hi all, welcome to Learn Easy channel. Today we are going to solve exercise 23B, mensuration from question number 33. Next question is the diameter of every wheel of a car is 63 centimeter. How much distance will the car move during 2000 revolutions of its wheel? Given the diameter of wheel is 63 centimeter. So we need to find, this is the wheel, we need to find the revolution of this 2000 revolution of this wheel. When the car undergoes 2000 revolution, we need to find how much distance a car would have traveled. Okay, so first we will find the distance covered by car wheel for one revolution. For one revolution means if the wheel starts moving from here and ends to the same position, that is one revolution. First we'll find out for one revolution, then we'll multiply with 2000 to get the 2000 revolution. So the distance covered by car wheel in one revolution is nothing but the circumference of the car wheel. This is the circumference of the car wheel. So circumference of the car wheel is pi into d. Okay. So substitute for pi, 22 by 7 into diameter is 63. Cancel out 7 and 63 with 7 tables, 7 9 is 63. So 22 into 9, we get 198 centimeter. So 198 centimeter is the distance covered by car wheel in one revolution. This is for one revolution. So we need to find the distance covered in 2000 revolutions. So what we need to do? Multiply this 198 into 2000. So what you will get? 396000 centimeter. Okay. So we need to convert this centimeter into kilometers because we are finding the answer for distance. So distance should be in kilometers. So to convert centimeters into kilometers, what we have to do? First we need to divide 1 centimeter is equal to how many kilometers? We need to divide by 2 zeros for converting it into meters. Again converting meter to kilometers divided with 1000. So totally we have to divide it with 5 zeros. Okay, 396000 divided with 100000, 5 zeros. So what you will get? Cancel out 3 zeros. So 396 divided by 100 will give 3.96 kilometer. So this is the answer. Distance covered by the car in 2000 revolution is 3.96 kilometer. Next question. The diameter of the wheel of the car is 70 centimeter. How many revolutions will it make to travel 1 kilometer? So given diameter is equal to 70 centimeter. As we have seen in the previous question, distance covered by car in one revolution is nothing but the circumference of the car wheel. So we need to find the circumference. C is equal to 2 pi r, which is nothing but pi into d. Substitute for pi, 22 by 7 into diameter is 70. Then cancel out using 7 tables. So you will get 220 centimeter. So now we need to find the number of revolution. To find the number of revolution, we should divide the distance that is 1 kilometer divided by the circumference to get the number of revolutions. But here the circumference is in centimeters and this distance is in 1 kilometer. So first we will convert this kilometer into centimeter and then we will do the further calculations. Okay. So to convert 1 kilometer into centimeter, first convert it into meters, so into 1000. So to convert meter into centimeter, multiply by 100. So totally you have to multiply by 1000 and 100. Okay. So we will get 5 zeros. Now it will be in centimeters. Okay. This is the total distance traveled. Okay. Okay, now we have converted the kilometer into centimeter. Now find out the number of revolutions. To find the number of revolutions, divide the total distance divided by 220, right? Cancel out 0 and again cancel this and this one using two tables, 5 0 0 0. Okay, now this will be in a fraction like 5000 divided by 11. You can write the answer as it is like this, or you can do the further calculation by dividing it by 11. Okay, when you divide it by 11, 11 into 4 times is 44, remaining 6, 60, then 5 times is 55, remaining 5, bring the 0 down, 4 times is 44, remaining is 6. So now you can write it in mixed fraction. So you will get 454, 6 by 11. This is the revolutions, right? So write revolutions. So this is the answer for the above question. We need to find the number of revolutions. So here the number of revolution, we got it as a fraction 454, 6 by 11. Next question, a metal wire when bent in the form of a square of largest area encloses an area of 484 cm. Find the length of the wire is bent to a largest circle and also find radius and area of the circle. So we need to find answers for 3 questions. First one is we need to find the length of the wire and then radius of the circle and then area of the circle. Okay, the same length of the wire is bent to form a square. So perimeter of the square is nothing but the length of the wire. Okay, so first we need to find the perimeter of the wire. So area, they have given area is equal to 484 centimeter. So area of the square formula is side into side, which is equal to area they have given us 484 and side we don't know, right? That we need to find. So side square. So to find the side we need to find the root of 484. So to find the root of 484, do the prime factorization. 2 2s are 4, 2 4s are 8, again 2 2s are 4, 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4, 2 1s are 2. This will go with 11. So 11 into 11s are 11 times is 121. So root of 2 into 2 into 11 into 11. Okay, this is the side. When you take out the square root, you will get 2 into 11, which is equal to side. So side is equal to, we got it as 22 centimeter. So side is equal to 22 centimeter. From this we can find perimeter is equal to 4 into side, right? This is the formula. Perimeter of square. 4 into side. So 4 into 22. 4 into 22 is 88 centimeter. This is the perimeter. So perimeter is nothing but the length of the wire. So length of the wire is equal to 88 centimeter. Now the same wire is now made is bent to form a circle. Okay, now we need to find the radius of the circle and also the area of the circle. Okay, to find the area of the circle and to find the radius of the circle, we need to find the circumference. Circumference is equal to, what is the circumference is nothing but the same wire is bent to form a circle. Okay, so circumference is nothing but 88 centimeter, which is the perimeter of wire, which we got it as 88 centimeter, because the same wire only they are bending it to form a circle. So the circumference will be 88 centimeter. So substitute for in circumference formula 2 pi r is equal to 88. Substitute 2 into 22 by 7 into r, that we need to find, equal to 88. So r is equal to 88 into 7 divided by 2 into 22. So 11 into 8 times, 11 into 2 times. Cancel out 2 4 times. Again 2 ones are and 2 twos are. So r is equal to 14 centimeter. So now we need to find the area of circle. Area of the circle is equal to pi r square. Substitute 22 by 7 into 14 into 14. Cancel with 7 tables, 7 one time and 7 twos are 14. So when you multiply, you will get 616 centimeter square. This is the area of the circle. Next question. A wire is along the boundary of a circle with radius 28 centimeter. If the same wire is bent in the form of a square, find the area of the square formed. Okay. Given radius r is equal to 28 centimeter. With the same wire, first they form a circle with radius 28 centimeter. With that same wire, they bend to form a square. So first we should find the circumference of the circle, because the circumference of the circle is nothing but the perimeter of square, because the same length of the wire, they form a square as well as they form a circle. So perimeter will be the same for both. Okay. So first we'll find the circumference of the circle. C is equal to 2 pi r. 2 into 22 by 7 into r is 28. Cancel out using 7 tables. 7 into 1 time and 7 into 4 time is 28. So 2 into 22, 44. 44 into 4. So we get 176 centimeter. Circumference C is nothing but 176 centimeter. This circumference is nothing but the perimeter of the square. With the same wire, they form a square as well as circle. So perimeter of the square and the circumference of the circle both will be the same. Okay, so perimeter of the square is equal to 176 centimeter. Perimeter of square formula is 4 into side. So from this we can find perimeter is 176 equal to 4 into side. From this we can find the side of the square, 176 divided by 4. So which is nothing but 44 centimeter. So we got side is equal to 44 centimeter. From this we can find the area of the square. Area of the square is side into side. So 44 into 44. 44 into 44 is nothing but 1936 centimeter square. So this is the area of the square. Next question. The length and breadth of a rectangular paper are 35 centimeter and 22 centimeter. Find the area of the largest circle which can be cut out of this paper. Given the length of the rectangle as 35 and breadth as 22 centimeter. So we need to find the area of this circle. Okay. This breadth of the rectangle is nothing but the diameter of the circle. So D is equal to 22 centimeter. From this we can find radius R is equal to 11 centimeter. Okay. So we need to find the area of the circle. So area is equal to pi r square. Substitute 22 by 7 into 11 into 11. So you will get 22 into 121 divided by 7, which gives 2662 divided by 7. So when you divide 2662 divided by 7, 2 into 3 times is 21, remaining 5, 56, 8 times is 56, bring the 2 down, 2, 0, again 0 here, point, 2 times is 14, remaining 6, 0, again 8 times is 56. So we will get 380.28 centimeter square. This is the area of the circle. This is the answer for the above question. Next question, from each corner of a rectangular paper, a quadrant of circle of radius 7 cm is cut. Find the area of the remaining paper, that is the shaded portion. In this rectangular paper, the quadrant of a circle of radius 7 cm is cut. So we need to find the area of this shaded portion. To find the area of the shaded portion, first we need to find the area of the whole rectangle. Then we can subtract the area of the quadrant. Okay. So the length and breadth of the rectangle is given in the question. L is equal to 30 centimeter and B is equal to 20 centimeter. From this we can find the area of the rectangle equal to length into breadth, which is 30 into 20, 600 centimeter square. So area of the whole rectangle is 600 centimeter square. So next we need to find the area of the quadrants. First we will find the area of one quadrant, which is equal to 1 by 4 pi r square. Why we are writing here 1 by 4 is, this is not a whole circle, just a quadrant of a circle. Okay, so 1 by 4 into pi r square. There are 4 quadrants here. So for 4 quadrants, area of 4 quadrant is equal to 4 into 1 by 4 pi r square. So 4 and 4 get cancelled. We will have only pi r square. Substitute for pi r square, 22 by 7 into r. R they have given here as 7. So 7 into 7, cancel out 7. You will get 22 into 7 is 154 centimeter square. This is the area of 4 quadrant. So now we need to find the area of the shaded portion or the area of the remaining paper. So area of the shaded portion is equal to area of the rectangle, whole rectangle is 600 minus the area of 4 quadrant is 154. So when you subtract 600 minus 154, you will get 446 centimeter square. So this is the 446 centimeter square is the area of the shaded portion. So we have finished mensuration exercise 23B, children. So if you have any doubts or you want any question to be answered, please post your doubts and questions in the comment section. I will answer you in the comment section. Thank you and thanks for watching.